Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already surmised from the title and intro, today we're tackling a DIY project. We're replacing a MaxxAir RV roof fan. Whether your fan is rattling or you're just upgrading for better airflow, this DIY project might be easier than you think. So join me up on the roof and let's make your RV a cooler, comfier home on the road. Here's a few things you're going to need for this project. Of course, you're going to need the new MaxxAir fan. You're going to need a Robertson screwdriver bit or a square bit. Some wire connectors, some butt connectors, some butyl tape, some self-leveling lap sealant, and a caulking gun. And you're going to need a putty knife for scraping off the old sealant, and a cleaner of your choice and a rag for cleaning. And optional, a camping buddy who you can share the laughs with.
We're up here on the roof now. My favorite place to think, or some would think as much as I'm up here. The MaxxAir fans are held down by about 18 screws around the flange and buried in sealant. So as you can see here, I like to use my 5-in-1 tool and scrape off the sealer around the flange, exposing the screws. Now, if the sealer is still in good condition, I don't take it all the way down to the roofing material. I just take it off the flange area to expose the screws. Unscrew these and score the sealer around the perimeter of the flange to persuade it to separate. I then lift up on the edge of the flange real easy like. I don't want to tear the roof membrane. If the sealant's stubborn, gently push down along the outside of the flange edge on the sealer that wasn't scraped while lifting up on the fan assembly. This will detach the fan framing from the membrane while not damaging it. Inside, pop off the trim ring. It's usually about 4 screws. Prep the roof for the new vent installation. Make sure you clean the area really good. I like to use Simple Green. It really cuts the grime and cleans the roof membrane in preparation for the butyl tape we're going to put down. Now lay down a strip of butyl tape in the footprint where the bracket lays for a watertight seal. Have you ever replaced a fan or a roof vent on your RV roof? Let us know in the comments.
Oh, you want all your fingerprints all over everything, don't you?
Go ahead and put yours on it if you have to.
If you must. If you...
Now it's time to install the new fan. Set the fan in place and screw it down. Snug, not like you're Hercules or something. And connect the RV's positive or negative wires to the fan's wires with some butt connectors. Here's a little tip I happened upon by happy accident on this job. Originally I was looking to splice all 3 of these wires back together, but I cut the fan wire leading to the original connector just to get the fan out of the way, and in the end I thought, hey, Why should I turn that old connection loose and risk messing up a splice with all 3 connections when I can just splice the 1 wire? So that's what I did. I really like the way it turned out. Even an old dog can learn a new trick. Just tuck the wires away neatly into the void. Make sure they're out of the way.
Now we just need to seal it up. Earlier I mentioned I don't remove all the old sealant from the roof membrane if it's still in good condition. Here's why. The sealer is super sticky and it holds on tight, and the roof membrane is super thin. Most of the time, if you try to take the sealer all the way down to the roof membrane, you're going to tear it. In fact, it's recommended you get up on your roof at least once a year to inspect the seals and make sure that it hasn't developed any kind of cracks or voids. And if you find something, you're supposed to just clean the sealant and take the new sealer and put it right over the top of it. This means that the sealer is compatible with itself, and it means that it will stick to itself. So that's why I don't risk damaging the roofing material, and I do it this way. So let's apply some self-leveling lap sealant around the flange and over the screws. No gaps, no leaks, and this stuff flows out smooth. Back inside, reattach that trim ring. You might have to cut the new ring depending on the location of your fan. Or, as in this case, if your old trim ring is still in good condition, you can just reuse that. Now let's test out the new fan and make sure everything works as it's supposed to. Hit it, Nelson! Well, there you have it. You just replaced your MaxxAir fan and you made your RV a little bit cozier for the journey ahead. Here at Ramblin' Reflections, it's all about fixing what needs fixing and enjoying the moments in between. So if you like this video, make sure you check out our other DIY repair videos. You can access those on the link that just popped up right here. This is the easiest way that you can help support our channel. The more of our videos you watch, the more watch hours we record. And make sure you give us a thumbs up if you like the video. If you're new to our channel or just haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click on that subscribe button. If you'd like to see us make more of this type of content, let us know that in the comment section below. So stay safe out there, and we'll see you next week.